Alright guys, I have a little 5-minute video. It's going to revolve around some Krazy Glue and a black marker and my son's Nike shoe. The black marker I'm going to use to fix this and to fix this, and I'm going to use Krazy Glue to fix this. So, as we know, Krazy Glue is usually used for other little things, but I've already fixed a shoe, and then I came to clue, hey, why don't I do a video showing that you can do shoe repair, right? So I'm going to turn you guys over on your side, like this, just so you can watch what I'm doing, and then I'm going to show you. So when he walks, this happens, right? So, where's the can? So this little rubber piece that says right in there, make sure there's Krazy Glue in there, so it holds there. Then I'm going to do up here, and it's going to be quick. I'll show you right now, after I'm done being blinded by this light. So in here, as you can see, hold on. I need to get myself a tripod. As you can see, I'm going to put it in, and then I'll show you. Now as you can see, see this. Use this to press down with. Let me set you guys upright so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to point you right at it. So as what I'm doing, you can see the Krazy Glue, and then I'll touch up little key areas with the marker and stuff like that, and I don't want to do that. And be very careful, this stuff is extremely tacky and sticky. If you accidentally stick your hand on something and it sticks, chance you ain't getting it off. You're probably going to end up tearing your skin, and believe me, that's not going to feel good. Back up. Yeah, no, I'm fixing Daddy's fixing your shoe?
Yeah.
Yeah? You had to blow it on that one, right? Now I'm going to fix this one. This stuff works really well. Now as you can tell, like look, all you gotta do is, you can break that off his shoe. That's how good this shit is. Now as you can tell, here, hold on. As you can tell, you see right here where my thumb is, there's that little hole, but you see right here, doesn't want to move. Same with up here. There's a little bit of a hole right there, but I'm not worried. Now my next step is right here. Right in the tongue of the shoe. Make sure I don't touch this, because I do not want a shoe stuck to my thumb or my index finger, for that matter. Then when I'm done, I'll show you guys with it on his feet. This video is a little more than 5 minutes, but that's okay. Even though I had to wait for my phone to load up. And then I'll touch up the shoe with a marker, put him on his feet, and see what he does. See if he breaks them or not. As you can see, I'm almost done. And this video is what? 2 pairs of shoes, probably 15 minutes. Once you let this stuff set and dry. Wife was just like, hey, we'll just throw these shoes away and buy you another pair. I'm like, as y'all tell by the bottom of these shoes, there's not a thing wrong with the bottom of these shoes. I'm like, I'm not throwing these away yet. I want my son to get full advantage of the shoes. I just basically repaired them. So now what I'm going to do is, where you see the black, I'm going to touch that out with the marker, which I'll show you in a minute. And we're going to put Krazy Glue to the real test. Not a pull test, but a drag test. See what it does. Let that sit there for a sec. Now, when you're doing this, there's certain spots you want to pay attention to. And this is what I'm going to show you. Alright. So, as you can see here where it's all breaking down, hold on, I'll show you a little trick. As you guys do this, now these only, these only going on my son's feet, so I want my son's feet to look good. So as you can see, brightness is gone. Now just gotta do this side. Now all this is somewhat dry, I believe. Hey, leave the chair alone. I have to get the other marker. Right back. Well, you can put the vacuum light back. Don't put that back where it belongs. Stop messing with stuff. Alright, I got my other marker. So, see? My kid's Nikes are now officially fixed. So now, we give him the Krazy Glue test. Now we put them back on his feet and see if it can withstand a child's abuse. If it can do that and still move the way it's supposed to, I'd be very, very surprised. As you can see, like I'm contorting the shoe. And it still holds. Alright there, you. Come here. Let's put your shoe on. Let's show these guys how this stuff works. I mean, I know Krazy Glue is meant for all stuff, but I don't think it's meant for shoes. Put the chair along. Put the chair back. You don't want to bang your head. Chill. Put your shoes on. And we're going to do a walk test. Even though you already have the other one on, okay? How? No, that's just a shoe. Alright, let's go. Now, I'm going to show you guys. This is like almost a 20-minute video. See? He's walking around in the shoes. As you can see, there's no breaks in the shoes. That's how you fix a shoe. Use Krazy Glue.